Let us consider the problem of computing mode for a continuous series. The first step is to form a grouping table. Mode is the value corresponding to maximum frequency density. So it is necessary to have a grouping table to identify the modal class. Okay. Frequency, identify it as the first column. In the second column, values are grouped in twos. Add the first two values and write the total 7 plus 9, 16 at the center. Then add the next two values, write the total at the center. Have this line, drawing this line is important because it will be easy for you to form the analysis table. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 2 group பண்ணுங்க, right? Have a line, ஒரு line போடுங்க நடுவில். It will be easy. அதை வச்சுட்டு analysis table போடுறது easy. Now, for the third column, leave the first value and group the values in twos. 12 plus 3, 15. Then you don't have two values, leave it. In the fourth column, group the values in threes. Remember, you should group the values in twos for 2 times. Then you should group the values in threes for 3 times. Okay? For these 3 values, this is the center. The total is 26. Here the total is 24. Then in the fifth column, leave the first value and group the values in threes, right? Then you don't have 3 values, leave it. In the sixth column, you should group the values in threes after leaving the first 2 values, right? Grouping the values in threes should be done for 3 times. So here, okay. So the grouping table is over. Now, identify the maximum value in each column. Maximum value, the biggest value in each column. Highlight it. The biggest value. You have only one value and that has to be highlighted. This is the maximum value. Okay, now you should form the analysis table. Write the class interval in the topmost row and column number in the leftmost column. Class intervals are 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 and 10 to 12. The column numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, in the first column, the maximum value is 12. It corresponds to the class 6 to 8. So, in first column, put a tally mark under 6 to 8. In second column, the maximum value is 22. You got it by adding these two numbers. The corresponding classes are 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. This line says that in the line is between these two numbers. The one number above it and one number below it, you got this number by adding these two numbers. The corresponding classes are 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. In the next column, the maximum value is 19. This line says you got it by adding these two numbers. The corresponding classes are 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. In the next column, that is in the fourth column, the maximum value is 26. It corresponds to 9, a number. It says If it corresponds to a number, it means that you have obtained it by adding 3 numbers. The corresponding classes are 0 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. Sorry, here. In the next column, 31 is the number. You got it by adding, see the line is corresponding to this number. So you got it by adding these 3 numbers, a number above it and the number below it and this number. The corresponding classes are 2 to 4, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. Here 25 is maximum. This line says you got it by adding these 3 numbers. So the class intervals are 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. Now calculate the total. 1 tally mark in this class, 3 tally marks against this class, 5 tally marks against this class, 4 tally marks, 1 tally mark and nothing. So the maximum value is 5, which is the model class 4 to 6, right? Without having this grouping and analysis table, you should have come to the conclusion that 6 to 8 is the model class. இதுதான் மேக்ஸிமம் ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி, அப்போ 6 to 8 தான் மாடல் கிளாஸ்ன்னு நினச்சிருப்பீங்க. அது தப்பு. எந்த கிளாஸுக்கு கிட்ட மேக்ஸிமம் ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி டென்சிட்டி இருக்குது ஃபார் 4 to 6 அப்படின்னு யோர் அனாலிசிஸ் டேபிள் இஸ் கிவிங் யூ த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். ஸோ 4 to 6 இஸ் த மாடல் கிளாஸ். ஓகே, நவ் let us go to the step of computing the model value. You have understood that 4 to 6 is the model class. L is the lower limit of model class. Lower limit is 4, 6. 4 is the lower limit, 6 is the upper limit, 4. F naught is frequency of pre-model class. F1 is frequency of model class. F2 is frequency of post-model class. Four to 6 is your model class. Okay, come to this grouping table. 4 to 6 is the model class. So pre-model class is this. The frequency is F naught, right? 9 is the F naught value. Frequency of model class is F1 value. Frequency of post-model class is F2 value, right? So let me write F naught is equal to 9. F1 is equal to 10. F2 is equal to 12. Now let us compute delta 1, which is modulus of F1 minus F0, 10 minus 9. Delta 2, which is modulus of F1 minus F2, which is 10 minus 12. Modulus na, even if you get a negative value, you are going to write it as a positive value. 10 minus 12 is actually minus 2. Since you have modulus, you are writing it as 2, right? Now, mod is equal to, let us write one more value, I, which is the magnitude of model class, the difference between these two numbers, which is 2. So mod is equal to L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into I is the formula. L is 4. Delta 1 is 1. Delta 1 is 1 plus 2 into I is 2. 4 plus 1 by 3 into 2. So the answer is 4.67, right? Thank you.